Hello, and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to cover how to disable a VPN on your iPhone. Whether you're looking to temporarily turn off your VPN, disconnect it through the app, or completely uninstall it, I'll guide you through each method step by step. This is important to know because while VPNs are great for privacy and security, there are times when you might need to disable them. First, let's talk about the quickest way to disable your VPN using the settings toggle. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. In the Connectivity section, you'll see a VPN switch next to the Wi-Fi icon. Toggle this switch off to disable your VPN. However, note that this method only turns off the VPN temporarily. You can't turn it back on from here if you're using a third-party VPN provider. The most straightforward way to disable your VPN is by deleting the app you use to access it. VPNs on iPhones require a provider, so if you uninstall the app, it effectively disables the VPN. To do this, long press the VPN app icon until a menu appears. Then select Remove App to uninstall it. This method not only disables the VPN, but also stops any ongoing subscriptions, ensuring you're not paying for a service you're not using. If you don't want to uninstall the app entirely, you can simply disconnect the VPN through the app itself. Open the VPN provider app on your iPhone. Look for a button that says Tap to Disconnect or something similar. Pressing this button will turn off the VPN without needing to delete the app. This is a convenient method if you plan to use the VPN again in the future, as it allows you to reconnect easily. Additionally, you can manage your VPN settings through the General settings on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then navigate to General. From there, select VPN and Device Management. Here you can enable, disable, or delete the VPN configuration. This section might look slightly different depending on your iOS version, but the basic functionality remains the same. Remember, while manually configuring VPN settings is possible, installing a VPN app from the App Store is generally easier and more user-friendly. Apps provide a straightforward interface for managing your VPN connection, ensuring that you can enable or disable it with just a few taps. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable a VPN on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.